line like this, I'm like, thank God for maintenance men not doing plumbing right. This line I couldn't get into at all because it's not any kind of sweep. They just have a T on its back. And if you've done running lines before, you know how hard it is, even with a drop head, to get it to go straight down that center without coming up in the neighbors. So with enough work, I found they never glued this connection on this reducer there. So worked out for me, man. I'm just gonna clean up my connection, re-glue it back together, call it a day.